Alright guys, today I'm going to take you guys on the tour I used to talk about, the Dangote workshop, and here with me is Babajide, the expatriate we have here. He's one among the best mechanic we have in this workshop, and we are going to talk with him today. So Babajide, what do you have to say? As you can see, he's busy with his work. He's coupling an engine. What are you doing, Babajide?
Yeah, my name is Babajide.
From where?
My country Nigerian, but I'm a citizen of Jamaica.
You're a Jamaican, I see.
Yeah.
Your cap looks like one.
That is the
So what are you doing? What are you doing? What's wrong with this truck?
The truck has a general body
Engine problem?
engine defect.
Alright. So what did you do?
So now I'm overhauling it,
Okay.
giving him proper
Treatment.
Now I'm about to finish the job.
Alright, I see.
I'm making it almost complete right now.
Okay.
So now I don't want to go further more.
So
So
what-
I talk about my workshop.
Alright.
But now since the pressure of this workshop is going down.
Yeah.
Formerly it rises up with the temperature degree centigrade of 150 centigrade. But now it has come back to 60.
Alright.
So I doesn't want to talk further in that aspect.
Yeah, I see.
But now I feel something good is coming out. Very
Yes, something good must come out of a good place. It's like yours, and the workshop is included. The workshop is a good place because you guys is helping a lot when it concerns trucking, when it concerns transport.
soon. This is
You
very
have been
truck.
helping
I
us.
started it on Monday morning.
Alright guys, you know the happiness when it is that your truck is getting fixed. It is a kind of joy to drivers when his or her truck is getting fixed. So Babajide here is a good friend, and he's an expert when we talk about engine ringing. He knows what he's doing when it comes to coupling, overhauling. And this is Sharkman truck. Sharkman truck. Right, you can see everything. It is actually transport workshop, Dangote Transport workshop, mechanical workshop. So, on this particular Chinese truck is called Sharkman truck. The truck is very strong. It's a nice truck, with 9 gears. Maybe one day I will take you guys inside the truck so you see how to drive this particular truck. Yeah, I'm still coming back here. All these are Dangote's truck you are seeing. This is Rewire, a young Rewire. He's an electrician. He works in the workshop too. Alright, this is where they are washing the parts of the engine. They are discoupled. So they are trying to give it a total wash so they can fix it back. As you can see, they are doing it very nice. It is nice. What's your name again? God knows. Not today. The bad guy. The way others do they lift the engine. It's the air system man. Just put it What's your name, man?
Give it total.
Miska. Miska, you know, some means what?
This guy is my air system.
And here is Mr. Joseph.
He's my colleague.
Joseph.
They are now coupling the engine. Yeah, they do everything on the ground before lifting it. They have lifting equipment that can help them lift the engine back to the seat. As you can see, this has a lot of engine there that need to be fixed. They need overhauling. All this thing they are covering there is engines. All of them are working on the engine section. So it is not easy. Standing behind them is the supervisor. That is the supervisor. supervising their work to make sure there is no error, there is no time wasted.
And here with me is another bad.
This is your game now. Need to
game. My Mugebu.
Engineer. He does the Azu. Anything concerning Azu, give it to him. He will fix it up. Azu and the spring, brake lining and all. And this is the tire section. The person standing there is another of my colleagues. He's a truck driver. He actually came to get some tire for his truck. So I think he's waiting for the supervisor to arrive. So he was saying some things, but because of the music at the background, that's why I had to remove the voice. So he was talking to me and he said I shouldn't video him, but I continued. He's a nice guy too. He was actually talking about the work, that the work is tiring, that he has been suffering for time. Right. All these places are tire place. The tire section. The guy you see there is fixing tires. He's fixing tires. Alright guys, this is all I have for today. Subscribe and like for next time. Bye bye.